To make an eBay store look professional, start by choosing a unique and relevant store name that reflects your brand identity. This name will be the foundation of your store's image, so select a name that is easy to remember and easy to spell. Once you have chosen your store name, create a logo that represents your brand. Your logo should be simple, yet distinctive and memorable. Use a high-quality image that is at least 300 pixels wide and 300 pixels tall. Next, customize your store's appearance by selecting a theme that matches your brand's color scheme and style. eBay offers a variety of pre-designed themes to choose from, or you can create your own custom theme. After customizing your store's appearance, optimize your store's categories and listings. Organize your items into logical categories and subcategories, and use relevant keywords in your titles and descriptions. This will help buyers find your items more easily and improve your store's search engine ranking. In addition to optimizing your listings, use high-quality images that showcase your items from multiple angles. This will give buyers a clear understanding of what they are purchasing and help build trust in your store. To further establish credibility, create a comprehensive and clear store policy that outlines your shipping, payment, and return procedures. This will help build trust with buyers and reduce the risk of disputes. Finally, regularly update and refresh your store's content to keep buyers engaged and coming back for more. This can include offering promotions, discounts, or new products, as well as responding promptly to buyer inquiries and feedback. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a professional-looking eBay store that attracts and retains buyers and helps you achieve your sales goals. Remember to stay focused on providing excellent customer service and continually improving your store's performance to ensure long-term success.